Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft with a couple of tips today on layering 3D heat transfer vinyl. I have a quick project that I designed for you guys. You can get it on our website. It's lips and got it from my mama for my sassy little baby to wear. So the first thing you want to think about when you're layering the 3D HTV is that it needs to be the last layer. Because it is raised up, it will cause the other HTV in your project to not adhere well due to not being enough pressure. So make sure that it's the last piece that you put on. And the second thing you need to think about is when we're layering, if a piece is exposed of the HTV, well, this might be better to just show it to you. First layer is going to be the Got It From My Mama in regular black heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to place it on the shirt and then just look and see where my lips go. There, I think that's a good placement. So I'll remove the lips. Okay, so regular heat transfer vinyl, 15 seconds. Now, if I had been layering with another regular heat transfer vinyl, I would have done that first press only 5 to 8 seconds, but because I'm layering the 3D heat transfer vinyl on top of it, I wanted to press it for the entire time, so I'm not sure how much pressure it's going to get when the 3D HTV is on there. So go ahead and peel that. Regular HTV is hot or cool peel, it's up to you. Now we're going to place our lips on. And here's the second piece I was talking about. All this black text over here is not protected from the heat of the platen. And it can melt if you put your thing directly onto it. So you can use a piece of Teflon, a piece of parchment paper, a flour sack towel. Any of those things are fine. We just want to cover up and protect this that doesn't have the backing on it. So now our 3D HTV is 8 seconds of pressure. And there we have it, cute little raised lips. Give the shirt some dimension and a fun attitude. Have a great day.